Hello all and welcome back. Today we are going to design this beautiful Diwali greeting card using PowerPoint. Let's get started. Let's first enable the guides and then change the slide design to A4 size. Change the orientation to portrait and then click OK. Let's move color palettes out of slide area, then format the background with 3-step radial gradient. Set the gradient direction to center and change stop colors using color palettes. Next, go to Insert tab and draw circle shape holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Format it with same 3-step radial gradient and change the stop colors. Change outline color to solid white and increase its width to 5 points. Apply outer shadow effect and adjust transparency, distance, and blur values. Next, go to Insert tab and draw partial circle shape holding down Ctrl and Shift keys. Making use of orange color edit points, reduce its size to quarter of a circle. Now go to Insert tab and draw oval shape over this quarter circle. Make it no outline, fill it with dark gray color and increase its transparency to see-through. Keeping center of quarter circle as reference, align this oval shape as shown. Duplicate oval shape 2 times using Ctrl+D and align them as shown. Now select quarter circle and all 3 oval shapes and fragment them together. Delete unnecessary fragmented sections as shown. Next, format each of these 3 sections with 2-step linear gradient, change the direction and stop colors as shown. Now select all these sections and group them together. Duplicate this group using Ctrl+D, flip it horizontally, and place it as a mirror image to original group. Ungroup all shapes and set their gradients in opposite direction. Let's zoom in a bit. Next, go to Insert tab and draw teardrop shape. Rotate it vertically upward and align it centrally. Increase its height using orange color edit point and make it no outline. Now enter into edit mode and adjust its left half section using edit points as shown. Remove right half section by subtracting rectangle shape. Duplicate left section using Ctrl+D, flip it horizontally, and place it as a mirror image. Format left section with two-step linear gradient, change its direction and stop colors. Fill right section with same solid fill color. Next, select both sections and group them together. Duplicate it 2 more times using Ctrl+D, reduce their size, and align them as shown. Now ungroup these duplicate shapes and format their left and right sections with same patterns of different colors. Next, group all these shapes and adjust its size as per design requirement. Now duplicate this group 2 more times using Ctrl+D, reduce their size, and align them as shown. Finally, let's create shadow effect at the bottom of these three design segments using ellipse shape. Make it no outline, and format it with two-step path gradient. Change left stop color to dark gray, and match right stop color with background. Increase soft edges value until you get desired shadow effect, and increase ellipse shape size if required. Align it at the bottom of all three designs, and send them to back. Next, go to Insert tab, and add a text field. Type your message, and format it as per your requirement. Let's apply shadow effect to this text to give it a 3D look. Now go to Insert tab, and add few fire shape PNG icons. Change their colors, and arrange them as per your requirement. So here is the final preview. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.